Hey everyone, I hope you're good. So, come with me this morning as we box two of our orders. So, the first order is for a colleague and friend that goes to church. So, he sent me a picture. I'm sure he got it online. And he said to me, Mel, can you make this exactly how it looks on the pic? And I said, okay, so I probably will be able to do this for you. And so my team and I came together and we found the material and we put it together. So the second order is for this cute sweetheart girl. She's 13 and the mom ordered a bracelet watch for her and it's pink in color and you'll see. And also we have a shells bracelet and the mom ordered herself a cute ring and she requested flag colors and I'm sure you'll see that as we package it. And I'm just going to go live this morning on TikTok and then I'm eventually going to go online because it's a Sunday and just check out what is happening online whilst I make that so that I'm relaxed. All right, so thank you so much, you guys. I hope you enjoy.